The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Camden County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Worcester County in central New Jersey, southeastern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, until midnight. At 11:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Philadelphia to near Rosenhain, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Evesham, Mount Laurel, Manalapan, Willingboro, Medford, Lindenwold, Hamilton, Lumberton, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Berlin, Tabernacle, Shimone, Weena, Egg Harbor City, Bordentown, Presidential Lakes Estates, and Weymouth. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This severe thunderstorm may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until midnight Tuesday for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Camden, Gloucester, Mercer, Monmouth, and Ocean. The following is a coastal flood advisory from the National Weather Service.